Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on the analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solid to take your decision. Your like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in a 15-minute time frame here. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures behave during this week. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have been maintaining an uptrend from the levels of the 3.659 what they tested on December 7, and from here the natural gas futures have been constantly maintaining an uptrend. Here you can see that how we have seen short covering below this uptrend line, and on the other side a sharp upward move well above this uptrend zone found stiff resistance at the US $3.923. So friends, here I find that a breakout well above this resistance will define the final direction move for the natural gas futures during the upcoming week. But today we'll have to see that whether the natural gas futures will find a breakout well above this resistance or not, and a breakdown well below the immediate support at the lowest 3.822 could result in a sharp downward move during the last trading hours, because here I find that this weekly inventory could play a decisive role in defining the further direction moves of the natural gas futures during the upcoming week. So friends, we will have to see that where the natural gas futures could close this week. So this will be my first expected closing level at the levels of the 3.911, and here I find that if we find a weekly closing well above the levels of the 3.911, we'll see the continuation of this uptrend during the upcoming week. Friends, this is a live chart of natural gas futures. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures have started to take a decisive move well before this closing. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures tested this immediate support just a few minutes back and have taken a steep reversal from the levels of the 3.828. So friends, here I find that the level of the 3.828 is a level where the natural gas futures have strong buying support. Here I find that a breakout well above the levels of the 3.892 will confirm a breakout move before this weekly closing. So friends, this will be my first expected closing level, and this will be my second where the natural gas futures could close this week, and this will be my third expected level where the natural gas futures close this week. But before closing at my third expected level, the natural gas futures could test the lows of $3.726. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a breakdown well below the levels of the 3.822, within next few hours we'll see a sharp downward move where the natural gas futures could test the levels of the 3.726 before today's closing. But here I would prefer to take a long position. If the natural gas futures test this level, I would prefer to go long from here, because natural gas futures will close this week well below the levels of the 3.774. Friends, here I would like to show you that at what maximum extent the natural gas futures could close this week. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a breakout within next few hours well above this uptrend line. So friends, here I find that if the natural gas futures find a sustainable move well above the upper end of this uptrend channel, we'll see a breakout move where the natural gas futures could break the immediate psychological resistance at $4. And here I find that a breakout well above this psychological resistance could help the natural gas futures to close the week well above the levels of 4.052. So friends, this will be my fifth expected closing level, and fourth expected closing level will be just below the levels of the 4 at the levels of the 3.994. Natural futures could find this weekly closing here. So these are my 5 expected trading zones for this week. So here you can see that how the natural futures have finally found a breakout well above the levels of the 3.882. So now let us check this move with the help of HMO cloud. Friends, here you can see how the natural gas futures have found a strong base at the lower end of HMO cloud in a 15-minute time frame. from where we have seen a sharp upward move up to the levels of the 3.887. Here I find that a sustained move well above the levels of the 3.892 will confirm this upward move in a short while. So friends, here I would like to show you the current position of 200 days moving average. So friends, here you can see that how the 200 days moving average has provided a strong support to natural gas futures well at the lower end of Ichimoku cloud that resulted in a sharp upward move in natural gas futures. So friends, here I find that the natural gas futures could find a breakout well above the immediate resistance at the levels of 3.892, and the second resistance will be at the levels of 3.923, where a sustained move could result in a second breakout before this weekly closing, and the natural futures could even break the psychological stage at $4. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.